So how to hard reset on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? Connect your mobile with your PC or laptop with USB. Then we are using power and volume down, and once our phone shut down, then power and volume up. So let's try power and volume down, waiting for to shut down our phone. Now power and volume up, and within a couple of seconds then you can see this kind of interface. It's done. Now using volume up and volume down button as a navigation. Now select factory reset, select it, then press on factory data reset, and after waiting, then you can see your phone is reset, and now you can set up your phone as a fresh. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. If you have any question, please ask in comment section below. Have a good day.